How to swap crypto in Tonkeeper Wallet. For that, you need to first of all launch your Tonkeeper Wallet, and over here on the home page you will be able to see the fourth option of swap. So you need to tap on swap and then you will be landed on the swap page in your Tonkeeper Wallet. Now by default in the send option, Ton will be selected. If you want to change it, then you can tap on it, and from here you can select any of the cryptocurrencies of your choice. Now for this video, I'm going to keep it as Ton because most probably you want to convert your Ton into some other token or coin. Now in the receive section, you need to tap on the select option, and again from this list you can choose any of the tokens of your choice. Let's say you want to swap from Ton to USDT, so you just have to simply tap on USDT over here. Then you need to enter the amount of Ton that you want to convert into USDT, and it will show you the equivalent amount of USDT or the coin that you have selected that you will get. Now tap on the drop down menu in order to check more information related to this transaction, like the blockchain fees that you need to pay and the liquidity provider fees that you need to pay. So after doing this thing, you just have to simply tap on the swap option in the bottom and initiate your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to easily swap your crypto in the Tonkeeper wallet. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.